Hello friends. The term phishing may sound like something fishy, but it has nothing to do with the underwater world. Phishing is actually a sneaky trick that some people use on the internet to steal your information and secrets. In this tale, we'll explore what phishing is, where it came from, and how you can avoid falling into its clever traps. Phishing is like a pretend game played by some not-so-nice people on the internet. They send messages or create websites that look real, but their main goal is to trick you into giving away your secrets, like passwords and personal information. Phishing has been around for a while, and it started when people realized they could pretend to be someone else online. They would send emails or create fake websites that seemed trustworthy, making it easy to fool others. One common trick of phishing is to send fishy emails or messages. These messages might pretend to be from your favorite websites or even your friends. They'll ask you to click on links or share your secrets. Phishers also create websites that look just like the real ones you visit. These fake websites can trick you into thinking you're entering your information on a trusted site when you're not. Phishing often uses links that promise exciting things or important updates. But these links can lead to trouble. To stay safe, be careful about clicking on links, especially if they come from someone you don't know well. Phishing loves to collect secrets. They might ask you for your passwords, your address, or other private details. But remember, it's never safe to share your secrets with anyone you don't trust. To avoid falling into phishing traps, you need to be a bit like a detective. Always double-check the messages and websites you visit, and look for any clues that might reveal something fishy. Just as knights wear armor to protect themselves, you can use something called antivirus software. This software acts as your shield against phishing threats, helping to keep you safe. Think of your passwords and personal information as your treasure. Just like you wouldn't give your toys away to a stranger, never share your secrets with people you don't know well. If you ever have a feeling that something online is fishy, don't hesitate to talk to a grown-up you trust. They can help you figure out whether it's safe or not. Phishing messages often have sneaky spelling mistakes. Keep an eye out for these errors, as they can be a sign that something is not right. Sometimes phishing messages have attachments that could be like hidden phishing poles. Be cautious and don't open email attachments unless you're sure they're safe. Just like having two locks on your treasure chest, some online accounts offer two-factor authentication. Dual authentication is a bit like having two special keys to open your treasure chest. First, you use your secret password, like a magic word, to say, "I'm a friend." But then, there's a second key, like a secret handshake. Sometimes this second key is a special code that gets sent to your phone. It's like a message from a friendly wizard. You enter this code to show, "I'm really a friend." It's extra protection to keep your treasure safe from any sneaky pirates, and it makes sure only you can open your chest. Stay safe online by sticking to websites and people you know and trust. Remember, just like you wouldn't go into a dark, mysterious forest, don't venture into unfamiliar online territory. By being a cautious detective, using your internet shield, and keeping your secrets safe, you'll have a happy ending in your online adventures, free from phishing's tricky tricks. So stay safe and have fun exploring the online world. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.